Okay, so we are live now. Hello, everyone. Sashika, and a warm welcome to all the audience who's watching us live today. Thank you for joining in on this inspirational chat series, which is called Energize Your Mind with Manpreet Kaur. Today is our second episode, and it's lovely to have you all over here. I am Manpreet Kaur, the world's first mind energizer, and I help people transform their lives inside out. Today we have a very special guest with us, and I'll be giving the details about him pretty soon. Let us have a little bit more viewers with us. So you can leave a hi in the comments box till then. More people are joining in. Okay. So today we have a very special guest with us who will not only inspire us but will reveal a certain profession which not many people know of in India right now. He will be spreading light on this profession and how it can help people in their business workplace to remain pain free. Isn't it exciting? Of course it is. So let us welcome today Dr. Dipankar. He is a workplace wellness coach, author of the Amazon bestseller book Ergonomics for Corporates. He is a member of the Indian Society of Ergonomics, head of the ergonomics training at Max Healthcare, and founder of Physio Ergo, a leading specialty physiotherapy and ergonomics clinic at Gurugram. He is evidently a leading voice in ergonomics. So let us put our hands together for Dr. Dipankar.
Hi.
Hello, Dr. Dipankar.
Hello. Hello. Hi. Welcome.
Thank you. Thank you for taking out the time and coming on our
My
live
pleasure.
show today. Okay.
Yeah.
So, people, first of all, would really like to know what exactly is ergonomics?
Oh. So ergonomics is it's not a fancy term. I mean, I'll tell you if I split this word into two parts to make it more easy for you. Ergon means work, and omics means laws of work. I mean,
Okay.
so you can call it as a simply solving your physical problems, like how people can take care of their, product design, and how people can take care of their workstation and all that to make them comfortable. So any
Wonderful.
product can be ergonomically designed to make yourself to use it more user friendly for the consumer, right? So
Okay.
majorly engineer side में भी होता है जहाँ पे where people make ergonomically designed pen or any product can be ergonomically designed for make users more user friendly, right?
More
So
comfort.
हिंदी या अगर हिंदी में बात करें तो लाइक हिंदी में बोलते हैं उसे किसी दुकान क्लिनिक या हॉस्पिटल या ऑफिस को के डिजाइन को सुधारने का तरीका
Oh,
साइंटिफिक तरीका यू कैन कॉल इट एज ए साइंटिफिक राइट.
wow. Wow. That's amazing. So, let us know a little bit about your journey and your background. आप कैसे इस लाइन में आए and कैसा रहा आपका
Uh,
सफर?
my so I started my this thing. So I am bachelor's in physio. So I did my bachelor's from Maharashtra Shirdi in 2005. So I passed out in 2009, and after that I did my master's degree in cardiopulmonary heart and lungs from IP University,
Okay.
from University, Chandiwala Institute of Physio, which is in Kalkaji.
Okay.
So during my internship, I was supposed to do some research on this topic, ergonomics. So which intrigued me to do into this. I mean, follow this line because it was new to explore this market, new to explore this field sector. So therein, मैंने वहाँ पे भी like while I was doing my research, so there's a place called Loni. So वहाँ पे हमने while doing my research, I sent some letters to SBI Bank and then this Pravara Sahakari Bank, to all the local banks, for all the managers. और managers को इतना अच्छा लगा कि it's a new thing and people will my employees will get benefited out of this.
benefit.
तो
Right.
इसलिए उन्होंने एक अरेंज कर दिया अपना सेशन, और वहाँ से मैंने स्टार्ट किया. सो देन आई केम बैक टू माई कॉलेज. फिर मेरे कॉलेज टीचर ने मेरे को बोला, व्हाई डोंट यू स्टार्ट दिस इन योर मेट्रो सिटी विच इज इन गुड़गांव, जहाँ पे ज़्यादा कॉर्पोरेट पीपल है, ज़्यादा काफ़ी सेडेंट्री जॉब है. पीपल फील लाइक people will be benefited more out there, right? So then I started, I mean, after this in 2009, I started this, and side by side, I was studying my master's degree, which is in, I started in 2011. So,
Okay.
इसके साथ साथ जब मैंने start किया तो I feel, so earlier as I said, this field was very new for the people,
Right.
especially even for the corporate also, right? Nowadays everybody is aware about ergonomics and all that. Every product, right from school bag to to a car seat, everything is ergonomically designed.
Okay.
But earlier days, I mean, काफी लोगों को नहीं पता था उस टाइम कि ergonomically how this science can be useful for their employees, how this science can be give more value to their
Right.
employees. So I used to visit. Me and my friend used to visit. Go and take a metro and maybe a auto to Delhi NCR corporates, all the commercial buildings. सारी commercial buildings में हम knock कर करके जाते थे. We used to have only one card, no brochure, nothing. But the challenge was simple challenge was this कि जब भी हम जाते थे, we were not having any kind of this what do you call, any emails or any prior notice or prior appointment with the
Right.
HR. So हम straight
Right.
away चले जाते थे, thinking of कि यार हम वहाँ पे जाएंगे, if we wait for 30 minutes outside the cabin or outside the office, in the reception area, so they might call us for this thing. But
Oh.
every time, so that was a mistake. So every time we used to
But
wait
you
for.
know that shows your passion. आजकल तो लोग they are more, I would say कि egoistic कि why we should go like that, और पता नहीं कोई हमारी सुनेगा कि नहीं या invite करेगा नहीं. That really shows your passion for what you were doing. In fact, I
Yeah,
would say, and maybe that would have really led to some breakthroughs for you. Is
yeah,
it true?
many breakthroughs. Yeah, many
Yeah.
breakthroughs. So I remember when I went to, एक बार हम नेहरू प्लेस चले गए, तो नेहरू प्लेस की सारी बिल्डिंग्स जो हिल्टन होटल के, इरोज हिल्टन के बिल्कुल साथ वाली बिल्डिंग है, पूरी
Okay.
बिल्डिंग को एक्सप्लोर कर दिया, राइट फ्रॉम आईटी डिपार्टमेंट टू, वहाँ पे ज़्यादातर स्टडी वो है, जो आपके स्टडी डेस्टिनेशंस के जो है ना, अब्रॉड में जो बच्चों को भेजते
Right.
हैं,
Haji.
तो वैसी ऑफिसेस ज़्यादा हैं. तो वहाँ पे भी हमने अप्रोच किया था कि why
Okay.
not to explore this area, why not to give them benefit, give them this knowledge to them also. But
Right.
suddenly, after some time, somebody called me and somebody approached me for this. The first break was in this proper break was in Maruti, which was
Okay.
huge for me.
Of course.
So somebody referred me because at
That
end
was
of the
in
day,
which year?
so that was in 2012.
Okay.
So that was in 2012, and I would like to tell you one thing. I follow, I admire Sandeep Maheshwari, right? So I used to,
Right.
so I when he started his journey in one room where he
Okay.
invited around 30-40 people, और छोटी सी ad देखी थी, तो वहाँ वहाँ से उनकी ad को, that was free of course. So we went there in पीतमपुरा उनके ऑफिस में, and then
अच्छा.
वो सेशन करने के बाद he used to do certain things कि उसके बाद the second step was कि जो भी लोग, if they wanted to do something different or big, I'll invite you, I'll give you the step forward कि क्या क्या करना है, क्या क्या नहीं करना. So I was one of them. उनसे पूछा मैंने, और we were around 10 people sitting out there, and then he was telling everyone कि what is your passion, what is your strength, आप क्या करना चाहते हो. तो मैंने कहा कि I want to do a session in your office. So within a
Oh,
second,
wow.
so within a second, he told his I mean manager, Mr. Ashok Mishra, he's good
अच्छा,
friend of mine now. तो उन्होंने बोला कि सर आप कर दो. So इमेजेस बाजार में मैंने सेशन किया था. So because I love him,
amazing.
बट मुझे मैंने उनको बोला सर संदीप सर मैं जैसे आप किसी से पैसे नहीं लेते तो मैं भी आपसे पैसे नहीं लूंगा. सो सो बट द थिंग वाज,
Right.
सो कहते हैं कि नहीं सो दिस इज माय दिस थिंग कि मैंने सो दिस इज नॉट माय ब्रेड एंड बटर राइट. योर इज बेटर ब्रेड एंड बटर बट डेफिनेटली फिर उन्होंने मेरे को डेफिनेटली कन्विंस किया. फिर उन्होंने चेक भी काटा और ऑल दैट. सो
Amazing.
देयर आल्सो फिर रेफरल्स पे जर्नी स्टार्ट हुई. somebody referred me to government organization, somebody referred me to corporates. Now this is the, I mean, earlier I was getting so much refuse, so much I mean this thing कि cancellation of the email, I mean events, and then बोलते नहीं थे कि यार आप हम I will get back to you. So most of the common word is we'll get back to you on this whenever needed. But now
Right.
life has taken full turn. So I've written a book on this, ergonomics for corporates, which is this, uh,
Wonderful, wonderful.
which is only for how five things, five ways, what is how this is important for the every professionals and
Got
all that.
it. Right.
So
Amazing.
now every company, as in I am getting 5 to 6, I mean calls every week for
Oh,
now because of the COVID. I'm getting webinars for their employees how, because everybody is working from home, so everybody is getting suffering from back pain, neck pain, and all that.
true, true.
So now companies are approaching us. Like I'm not saying I'm the only one I'm doing this, but many people are doing very good job in this sector. I also wish most of the people, I mean many people come forward and do this because it's a huge demand in this sector. And not only this sector, because they are very, I mean vast
Branches.
diversity branches, yeah. And people
It's
can, I mean
it's
physios can
really
explore.
amazing because frankly बताऊं कि even मैंने भी नहीं कभी सुना था. I just heard
And
from you. We had met long back in a
yeah, yeah,
seminar.
such
So the thing is कि इतनी बड़ी चीज को सामने लेके आना because आपका खुद का passion था उस चीज को लेके. Itself is very big thing because people get scared कि अगर लोग ज्यादा नहीं कर रहे तो हम भी नहीं करेंगे. इसका मतलब स्कोप ज्यादा नहीं है इस चीज में, राइट?
yeah, yeah.
एंड पीपल लीव थिंग्स इन बिटवीन. सो आई थिंक आप ऑलरेडी इतने इंस्पिरेशनल एक फिगर रह चुके हो इस फील्ड को लेके, ergonomics, and that is why you're really going by leaps and bounds. You're really, आपकी reach, and you've written a book also. It's a bestseller. So I guess कहीं ना कहीं आपने अपनी roots बना लिए हैं इस sector में. So commendable. It's wonderful.
Thank you so much.
If the audience is watching, please give him a thumbs up for his guts coming into this sector. Wonderful. So
Thank you.
जैसे कि आपने बताया कि कितनी difficulty रही, and you were also like in other sector like physiotherapy. So what made you choose ergonomics over physiotherapy also?
What made okay, so
Why did you choose?
this is, I mean this is so ergonomics is a part of physio faculty also, right? So
Okay.
as I said, जब मैंने अपना internship कर रहा था तो there was time where so there was a community branch in 4th year जब हम उसको ergonomics को हम सीखते हैं, right? In community branch. So community branch का ही part है ergonomics. So ऐसा नहीं है कि
Okay.
it's a different part, right? So
Okay.
जैसे engineering में सिखाते हैं ergonomics for the designing. In physio,
Okay.
I mean they teach us for how to remain pain free,
Okay.
right? So how you can, I mean redo your workstation, redo your environment, so that you become comfortable in that particular zone, so that you are not facing any kind of workplace injuries.
Right.
So
Right.
it's not a part of this thing. So still, like I said, after my masters I've started my own clinic in Gurgaon.
Okay.
Yeah, so clinic, I mean I'm also running clinic also, I'm doing treating patients also, but this comes more of preventive healthcare. You can call it as a preventive healthcare,
Yes.
because most of the
Right.
99% problems are all because of lifestyle issues. and the good news is जब हमारी वजह से होती है तो हमारी वजह से ही ठीक हो सकती है without any muscle relaxants or without any physio sessions. So this plays a major role with while not having these kind of problems. So that's why this is a big this thing.
Yes, it's really wonderful and preventive is better, I guess. As they say,
Yeah.
prevention is better than cure. ये तो
Yeah.
बहुत पुरानी कहावत है.
हाँ.
So, जैसे कि आपने बताया कि you had to make your own space, but we would like to know a little bit more in detail. What exact challenges you have faced in this journey? Coming from, जबरदस्ती लोगों के ऑफिस में बैठना आधा आधा एक एक घंटा and till the place you have reached right now.
Challenges. I mean, earlier we used to face rejections from the corporate. Sometimes, I mean, starting में तो sometimes if the corporate is big, so आप free में कर दो, आप session दे दो, awareness session कर दो, do some sessions for just to sensitize people. So when we used to do this sessions, I mean, या तो दो options होते थे employees के पास, या तो pressure पे आते थे कि attendance mark हो रही है, या otherwise
Okay.
if somebody has a problem they will attend, right? So ऐसा नहीं है कि if I don't have any problem और मेरे पास काम भी नहीं है, so if I'm sitting idle, चलो ठीक है ये session है, so nothing like that. So nobody goes to even a dentist जब तक उनका हाथ दांत भी हिलता नहीं है,
सही
right?
बात.
So we should go to dentist whenever, I mean, for prevention, for the dental hygiene. Similarly, we should go for regular test and regular assessment of our body, where the body is, I mean, realigning for our body. So after that rejections, then later on, then I changed my strategy, right? I used to do sessions in the boardroom, then I changed my strategy to do the sessions and in the for one-to-one different strategies, like do a sessions workshops at the shop floor only, where people are actually sitting,
Okay.
right? So the problem is majority of the problem is coming from the workplace, wrong mismatch of their workstations. कईयों ने लैपटॉप स्टैंड लिया हुआ है, कईयों ने लैपटॉप स्टैंड को गलत तरीके से यूज किया हुआ है, थिंकिंग ऑफ कि only laptop stand will solve their neck pain, but this is not true, right?
Right.
So, after the session people used to come for a one-to-one sessions and all that कि सर हमें ये प्रॉब्लम है, तो मैंने कहा आपने उस टाइम क्यों नहीं पूछा? So people feel I mean shy, like कि यार सबके सामने पूछेंगे. So that made me change my whole strategy. So I changed my so I do different sessions, different strategies for different companies. So there's so I don't do PPTs and all that.
Okay.
So that's how companies liked this sessions, where people engage more and we are giving more value add to the people, and rather than just tick in the box कि हाँ यार HR ने करवा दिया, वो tick कर दिया, and then our job is done. So it's actually doing proper this thing for 6 months program, or maybe a 3 months program, or maybe 1 year program, where their employees are getting more value and their problem is resolved.
Okay.
So this is
तो
this
आप
makes
थोड़ा सा अगर यहाँ पे बता सकते हो कि लाइक हमारे जो व्यूअर्स हैं उनको खास करके कि ऐसा कोई आपके सामने कोई किसी एलिमेंट से रिकवर हुआ हो बाय यूजिंग एर्गोनॉमिक्स, या किसी को जैसे लाइक बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो रही हो किसी चीज की पर्टिकुलरली, तो कितने टाइम में कितनी थेरेपी के बाद वो ठीक हो सके, like whatever you do in this.
Got it. So let's take an example of let's say back pain. So back pain and neck pain is the most trending common problem.
Yeah.
और जब से वर्क फ्रॉम होम किया है तो बैक पेन तो बहुत ही ज्यादा हो गया.
बिल्कुल.
सो ergonomics में ऐसा नहीं है कि सेशंस की जरूरत है. सो आई ऑलवेज बिलीव कि posture is more important than doing a regular exercise. So if you're not doing the exercise in a proper form, so then then the chances of having the problem is higher. So if you are focusing on, if you are maintaining the right kind of postures, no matter what, you can still live a pain-free life with the right kind of posture, even if you are not doing any kind of exercise. Right? So if you follow right how to sit and how to stand, how to walk and how to drive properly, so chances are very less, and even though how to lift object. So these are 5 to 6 areas where people get इंजर्ड, राइट? कभी भी कुछ हैवी लिफ्ट उठा लिया तो देन पीपल गेट बैक इंजरी, स्लिप डिस्क एंड ऑल दैट। और कभी भी कुछ, अभी द कॉमन इज काफी ज्यादा लोग काफी देर तक बैठते हैं तो पीपल आर फेसिंग दिस लोअर
Right.
बैक इंजरी एंड ऑल दैट। So if they know the proper science, proper knowledge, they need to know कि यार ऐसा नहीं है कि चेयर, एक एक्सपेंसिव चेयर लेने से उनका बैक पेन ठीक हो जाएगा या एक लैपटॉप स्टैंड लेने से बैक नेक पेन ठीक हो जाएगा। सो दे नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड कौन सी चेयर लेनी है, और उस चेयर ना भी लो तो एटलीस्ट दे शुड नो हाउ टू सिट प्रॉपर्ली, राइट? पहले तो हम बहुत पहले, आई मीन 20 years बैक, आई मीन वी यूज्ड टू सिट ऑन द वुडन चेयर्स, राइट? और 20-30 साल पहले तो हमारे पास मैट्रेस भी नहीं थे, मतलब काफी लोग तो मैट्रेस पे भी नहीं थे, गांव में तो वो भी सो जाते थे खाट पे या पलंग पे, राइट? बट स्टिल दे वर नॉट फेसिंग एनी बैक इश्यूज। आजकल जितना ज्यादा कंफर्ट आ गया है उतनी बहुत सारे आप, इफ यू गो एंड बाय मैट्रेसेस, you will feel you'll see 10 different options, so आप कंफ्यूज हो जाओगे कौन से लें। so the reason why I'm saying, because people come to me as Dipankar, so last month somebody called me कि मैं अभी वहाँ पे बैठा हूँ, so can you please suggest me कौन सा मैट्रेस लेना है।
Okay.
Forget about mattress, people are confused कि कौन सा पिलो लेना है।
Pillow, right?
Yeah. So पिलो के बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस हैं। so द पॉइंट इज, जितना ज्यादा कंफर्ट है उतना ज्यादा लोग कंफ्यूज हो रहे हैं और उतनी ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम बढ़ रही है, राइट? सो if I have to sum up in one line, which is comfort means there is less activity, people are less mobile nowadays,
right.
कुछ भी किया एलेक्सा पे बोला, ठीक है, just switch on the light and all that. काफी लोगों के घरों में 3-3 4-4 मेड है फॉर दिस, आई मीन पीपल आर लेस फिजिकल एक्टिविटी, physical active. I'm not saying 100% people are not physical active, but most of the people are physical active, right? So my clinic is on
पहले जमाने में हम सुनते थे कि आटा भी खुद चक्की पे पीसते थे।
हाँ, so आजकल तो डिशवॉशर भी आ गया, आटे भी आ गया।
Yeah, they had more strength and vigor. और आजकल तो it is impossible.
Yeah. So आजकल तो सबको, जिसको भी थोड़ा सा भी शुगर है उनको चांसेस ऑफ शोल्डर इंजरीज, फ्रोजन शोल्डर हो जाता है। और गांव में आपने देखा होगा जो चक्की होती थी पूरा वो करते थे,
बिल्कुल।
so, किसी को भी नहीं होता था, नो मैटर व्हाट उनको शुगर है कि नहीं, अगर होती भी है तब भी वो ठीक हो जाते थे। सो मोटा जो प्रॉब्लम्स आ रही हैं, ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ लेस फिजिकल लेस मोबाइल, सिंपल।
So that is one of the basic reasons I feel.
Basic, yeah.
And अगर मेरे हिसाब से तो not only for corporates, this is such important information. अब जैसे मुझे पता चल रही है आपसे बात करने पे कि even for the normal people, you know, even for housewives, for even children, you know, क्योंकि उनके तो development stage है, they should take more care of their posture and all. Especially अब जैसे कई बच्चों को आप देखते हो tall भी होते हैं ना, the way they are walking, उनको जो है hunch भी आ जाता है, right. So I think ये तो बहुत जरूरी information है for everybody.
So आपने जैसे बच्चों की बात छेड़ी है, so संदीप सर ने, उनसे मैंने क्या सीखा है, so he believe जो भी कुछ सबसे ज्यादा लर्निंग, किड्स आर द फास्ट लर्नर्स। बहुत बच्चे बहुत जल्दी सीखते हैं, तो संदीप सर हमेशा उन्हीं का एग्जाम्पल देते थे, बच्चे ये करते हैं, बच्चे वो करते हैं, ये कर। So this is how I wanted to make them understand, क्योंकि अगर बच्चों को अभी से आपने बता दिया ना कि आपको सोने से पहले ब्रश करना है, राइट? You have to get up sideways, you have to lift like this, you have to use your smartphone like this. So over a period of time में पूरी जर्नी, पूरी लाइफ उनको एक हैबिट बन जाएगी, this is the way I have to sit, this is the way I have to carry my backpack and use my laptop and tablet and all that. So बच्चों को बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है वो सीखना, rather than because आफ्टर 30-40 जितना आप डिले करोगे तो यू नीड टू अनलर्न योर बैड हैबिट्स, देन यू हैव टू अडॉप्ट न्यू हैबिट्स। सो बच्चों को बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है। So I also do sessions in the schools also.
You know, I would really appreciate it. You know, schools should even look more into this. You know, they should include it as a part of the curriculum. Frankly speaking, because it's so inspiring to know. क्योंकि see, you cannot change the fact कि आजकल physical activity कम हो गई लोगों की.
Exactly.
That is but true. We have to accept it. But at least हम अपना posture तो ठीक कर सकते हैं. तो
Exactly.
उसकी
We need to
एजुकेशन
adapt.
दे दो, या वी हैव टू अडेप्ट.
For example, if I say, I mean, relating to your, I mean, this scenario during this COVID area,
या
COVID time. So everybody's now, I mean, what do you call? Everybody is wearing the mask. Everybody's had adapted how, the way, change the way they work, change the way they live
या
now.
डेफिनेटली.
Similarly, I mean, 5 6 months जब नवंबर में सबसे ज़्यादा pollution था, nobody was wearing the mask, right?
ट्रू, बिल्कुल सही
ठीक
कह
है.
रहे हो. राइट.
और अब लोग मास्क पहन रहे हैं. अभी आपको मैंने बताया था ना, अभी मैं पीथमपुरा में गया हुआ था अभी. सो आई वाज वाचिंग टू पीपल, आई मीन एक बाइक पे दो लोग थे, दोनों ने मास्क पहने हुए हैं. पीछे वाले ने बस मास्क इतना किया हुआ है, एंड
हाँ,
नन ऑफ किसी ने हेलमेट नहीं पहना हुआ.
बिल्कुल.
सो वी नीड टू अडाप्ट कि कैसे ये हमारी लाइफ को यूज करना है. सो जो प्रॉब्लम्स हैं वो प्रॉब्लम्स हैं. आई मीन सेडेंटरी लाइफस्टाइल है विच वी नीड टू एक्सेप्ट.
राइट.
लेस एक्टिविटी है, वी नीड टू एक्सेप्ट. जो हमारे हाथ में एटलीस्ट वो तो करें,
वो ठीक कर सकते हैं,
राइट.
बिल्कुल सही कह रहे हैं आप.
अगर
एंड
किसी के पास
दिस.
टाइम नहीं है, सो दे शुड
राइट.
डू व्हाट दे कैन डू इज, एक्सरसाइज का टाइम नहीं है तो एटलीस्ट वो स्टेयर क्लाइंबिंग कर लें, राइट. So there are many options to, I mean, have a pain-free life or fit life. So it's my
You are
message for
inspiring me,
health.
Dr. Dipankar. Today onwards, no elevators, only stairs. So at least we can do our bit, you know. It's
Yeah,
lovely, you know. यही फायदा होता है. If you're with learned people, you get a lot of inspiration in a small time. So
yeah.
wonderful. And in fact, मैं आपसे ये भी पूछना चाहूंगी कि ड्यू टू कोविड-19, जैसे अब बात चल ही रही है, you know, businesses are suffering so much. कोई भी टाइप का बिजनेस हो. तो व्हाट आर योर मेजर्स कि किस टाइम यू नो बिजनेस को कैसे संभाल के आगे चला जाए, या अगेन जैसे अडेप्ट की बात हो रही है तो कैसे किया जाए, व्हाट माइंडसेट शुड बी यूज्ड ड्यूरिंग दिस पीरियड ऑफ टाइम.
So I can tell you mine. So initially it was difficult for me to change everything to online. So still people are figuring out कि sir हमें back pain है, and then I have this frozen shoulder and all that. अच्छा, can this be treated online? Can this be treated? You can consult
या
me online. So I've changed my this thing everything. I'm working on my some of the courses. I've started on webinars also. I've done more than 45 webinars. I'm doing two
वाओ.
to three webinars for the corporate in a week, but on a very selected one, right? And then some for schools. And I've also started with some WhatsApp class also, where people
ओके.
can get most value at the lesser price. So
ओके, वंडरफुल.
so it depends on, coming to your questions, it depends on the business to business. So some people can change their entire business online, some people can't,
या.
right? But the sooner we changed our business online, so it is nothing like that. So
तो
online,
मेरे हिसाब से अगेन फिर वही बात हो जाएगी, बिजनेस जैसे आपने बोला कि कई बिजनेसेस तो ऑनलाइन ला सकते हैं, राइट.
right.
ट्रू. अब कई है जो नहीं कर सकते. अब उनके केस पे आपकी क्या राय है, क्या करना चाहिए?
जिस जो नहीं कर सकते हैं, so the thing is, they need to do certain things कि how they can help others, how they can do certain things to actually, I mean, धीरे धीरे ला सकते हैं उसको ऑनलाइन पे. अगर नहीं भी ला सकते, एटलीस्ट ऑफलाइन भी they need to change their, I know some of my friend, they have changed their entire model, entire business to online,
या.
entire business to offline, especially जो ट्रैवल इंडस्ट्री में. सो
राइट.
काफी
राइट.
लोगों ने अपना बिजनेस भी चेंज कर दिया.
बिल्कुल.
सो इफ यू नो कि आगे आने वाले 1 2 साल में, इफ वी हैव वी सो आवर बिजनेस विल बी, आई मीन, टफ in for the next couple of years. So it's better to change our business also. Start
या.
learning new things,
न्यू
because
स्किल्स. राइट.
new skills. What the problem is with the technology is running very fast. जब आप एक चीज नई चीज सीखते हो, जब तक हम सीखते हैं, लेट्स से अगर हम शॉर्ट कोर्स करते हैं, दैट इज मच बेटर रादर देन डूइंग 1 to 2 years ऑफ 3 years ऑफ कोर्स.
ट्रू.
जब तक हम उससे सीखते हैं तो वो टेक्नोलॉजी खत्म हो जाती है, राइट.
बिल्कुल.
पहले बहुत सारी चीजों में, आई मीन, व्हाट डू यू कॉल, जो हम फेसबुक के करते थे, ईमेल मार्केटिंग करते थे, पहले ईमेल्स को कोई नहीं देखता था, अब ईमेल्स पे, अब धीरे धीरे
Right.
लोग व्हाट्सएप पे आ गए, धीरे धीरे लोग टेलीग्राम पे आ गए. So
Right.
everything has been changing. I mean, everything is changing so fast, so fast. I mean, so we need to pace pace us with the technology.
Right.
So I would say
Okay.
to every business owners, one should learn the technology part also to
It's
scale
true.
up their.
Even I feel, if my students, they come, we have like one-to-one sessions or the ones who take courses. Maximum right now, the cases are coming, they have lost their job or
Yeah,
they don't know how to move forward. They're feeling depressed. My heart does go out to them, no doubt, because it's really hard, at this point of time for everybody.
yeah,
But
yeah,
at the end of the day, it's always better to accept the situation and start
true.
moving.
Yeah.
एंड क्योंकि आप मूव कर रहे हो ना, चाहे आप धीरे मूव कर रहे हो चाहे आप
Minimum,
फास्ट मूव
yeah,
कर रहे हो,
true,
बट
true.
एटलीस्ट यू मूविंग फॉरवर्ड.
Yeah,
So it's a request to everybody, whatever the situation is, accept it first of all, and secondly, as Dr. Dipankar is also saying, it's better to go for new skills because you never know how that skill can open up a new avenue of earning for you as
exactly.
well.
Yeah.
So that is very very necessary at this point of time. So, Dr. Dipankar, आपसे जानना चाहेंगे, what is your advice to the professionals who are working right now from home? उनके लिए तो
Okay.
बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रेस है, बहुत ज्यादा, अगेन बॉडी पेन, नेक पेन, एवरीथिंग. तो आप उनको क्या एडवाइस देना चाहेंगे? समथिंग, related to your field, how they can keep posture better, anything, any dose.
Okay. So first, very important is uh, don't take your laptop here and there and sitting on your couches, beanbag, recliners,
Hmm.
sofa, kuch bhi. If you are sitting on these areas, but make sure you are not sitting in for more than half an hour on these areas. You
Okay.
should you should have a dedicated workstation. Dedicated workstation means a table and a chair proper.
Right,
Okay.
right.
Next is try to keep your postures changing. I mean, let's say just say I have a desktop, I have a table which where I after 1 hour I stand and after half 1 hour I sit, so I keep on changing my postures.
Okay.
So keep changing your postures, keep taking a break of any monotonous postures, whether you are watching TV, whether you're sitting idle. So
Okay.
in this way, your body is moving, your blood is moving, and you will face less physical stiffness and all that in your body
Right,
uh,
right.
in your body. So less fatigue,
Movement is
less
necessary.
movement is necessity,
Right.
right? Keep hydrating yourself. Drink lots and lots of water,
Hmm.
right? And do learn some workplace stretches also, which will increase your flexibility, range of motion, reduce injuries, increase your uh, flexibility, increase your endurance, and improve your posture also.
Hmm.
So I would suggest one should learn the proper sitting postures.
Right.
I mean, if you're working from home. So still,
Okay.
I take these sessions, and but still people are making mistakes.
Hmm.
Some people are taking laptop at the eye level, but not.
Yeah.
So there are
That is the
many
biggest
mistakes.
mistake I think people make, just picking it up and going here and there, and
Yeah,
कहाँ पे सिर जा रहा है, कहाँ पे shoulders जा रहे हैं, किसी को पता ही नहीं है.
yeah.
So they're so tuned into their laptops. So
So that's why
wonderful
I
advice.
always. So I wanted to tell your viewers कि जो भी आप सीख रहे हो, जो भी especially this health this thing, so make sure you educate your kids. Make sure you उनको आप बताओ कि पहली बात है, आपको पता होना चाहिए कि what is the right way
Right,
to stand, sit,
right.
and work and travel, right? Then only you can advise your kids, क्योंकि उनकी अभी से I see a lot of children having this hump in the neck area, hunched postures,
Right,
because of
right.
many reasons. So और वो वापस आना, it's difficult. So उनका
Yes,
posture वापस आना, it
very
will take
difficult.
months and years to come. So please educate your kids to develop a right postures, how to stay healthy.
So, Dr. Dipankar, if anybody is interested, how can they contact you?
Uh, so I can. So my Facebook page is by them by name only. So as I said, I'm on a mission to help 100,000 professionals to live and work pain-free, to transform their postures using this ergonomic science. So I have made a workplace wellness experts ka a group. This is a private group where I take some questions
Okay,
uh, on how many people are interested. So that's how I enroll for them, and I give the regular SS exercises, regular tips and tricks and hacks on how they can live, change their life and work pain free.
wonderful. And in
So
fact,
my
for our viewers who are interested in contacting Dr. Dipankar, I'll tag him in this post. So it'll be easier for you to connect with him.
Yeah.
Okay, so Dr. Dipankar, let us know what is the scope of ergonomics if somebody is interested in taking it further. So, what is the scope in India or otherwise globally as well? What would you give advice to people who are looking up to it as a profession as well?
Okay. So scope is huge. As ergonomics is a, I mean, it's a blue ocean. It's a huge field to work on. So coming to most of the physios ask me like, sir, way to do this session, way to do this course. So I did a course, basic and advanced from Bangalore,
Okay,
and yeah, and uh, in areas also in the US, also in other parts of countries, they can do, but those are very expensive. So scope in other areas, let's say people think nowadays what physios and my juniors are saying ki, this is only confined to corporates, this is only confined to, but that is not
why?
true.
No, it isn't.
No. Yeah, so this can be in the schools, one can excel in the
Definitely. Right,
airline industry, one can excel in the factories, right?
right,
So one can excel in what do you call, in the hospital setup, and
right.
one for the surgeons, one for lawyers. So different sectors, different
Mhm.
profession you can choose, and you can so that is your one area you are focused on.
Yeah, true.
So so as a ergonomist, one can explore so many diversity rather than actually catering everyone. Like I've
So,
chosen like IT professionals.
so I think this would be the perfect time. In fact, even if people want to take this up further as a skill, this is the
Yeah,
perfect time to be learning it. And even
yes,
if you want to go further professionally for it. So it's wonderful how it's adding value to people's lives, basically.
yeah,
Physically also, and secondly, for making a second source of income or first source of income.
yeah, yeah.
So, what are your plans for the future?
Okay, good question. So my so I've so my plans is huge. For the last many years, I was planning to build one big ecosystem on this platform, because there is nobody in this on this sector, technology front. So I
Okay,
want to do a plan. I want to make a big ecosystem where everyone can be benefited, everyone can be
okay,
get treated and get cured with this science using technology.
okay.
So I'm working on this.
Wonderful.
So let's see how it goes.
Our best wishes from the
Thank you so
depth
much.
of our hearts. You're doing such a great work. See, professionally, to earn something is one thing, but when you're bringing about change in people's lives, that
Yeah,
that is a form of service. But basically, you're also doing. If you're able to help people eradicate their pain and whatever they're going through, it's like a god for them,
hmm,
frankly speaking, because I have been, I think most of us have been at some point in life, we have gone through either an injury or something like that, and we know what that pain feels like. So
hmm, hmm.
if this sort of science, it can help, overcome all these things. So I think it's
Yeah,
perfect. And आपकी जो vision है, I can see that India will shine in this sector
very much.
definitely the way you are going. Yeah.
I
So,
need your blessing.
Dr. Devankar, in the end, before we leave, I would really like you to give us a few golden nuggets for our viewers कि इस वक्त चाहे कुछ भी चल रहा है इस पूरी दुनिया में, चाहे वो किसी भी स्टेज में है अपने काम में, whatever they're going through, what would you give them this a single golden nugget कि जिससे कि they can overcome these problems?
Uh, I would say have patience. So one of my close friend used to tell me, Dipankar, nothing is permanent in school. So his name is Sunil Pillai. So he's from Kerala. He used to say, "Ki Dipankar, nothing is permanent.
Right.
So this time will go. So have patience. Think positive. I mean, read lots and lots of some content and good related to your I mean, what do you call
Oh,
field or maybe your interest.
right.
So don't overthink. I mean, just focus on what are your strengths rather than on weaknesses.
Definitely. It's wonderful, and I'm so delighted and inspired. I wish I could also enter this line. But right now I'm pretty busy in what I'm doing. But definitely, you have opened my eyes to a certain new skill which a person like me was unaware of. And I guess आज बहुत लोगों को भी पता चला होगा इसके बारे में. And I'm so thankful to you, in fact, for
My
taking
pleasure.
out your precious time coming and inspiring our viewers. It was lovely having you here. So thank you so much,
Thank you,
and
Ji.
yeah, hope to meet you again when you are
Sure,
at the next level.
sure, definitely. I'll keep you posted.
Yeah. So
Okay,
say goodbye to Dr. Dipankar. Bye bye.
okay. Bye bye.
So thank you everyone for tuning in today. And it was a lovely session. If you enjoyed it, give a thumbs up right now, so I know that you enjoyed such a session. And next time again, I'll be coming with another personality who will really blow you off. He is full of enthusiasm, and you will love him to the core. And I am so happy that yes, we have been able to actually pull this through, because I myself am not a very technical person, frankly telling you. But now I have overcome my own inhibitions. I have come forward so that I can interact with all of you. So if you love this new series, share this as much as possible. The more love I get, the more I'll be inspired to come in front of all of you, bringing new people from different walks of life. So, till our next episode, stay tuned in, and lots of love and abundance. Bye bye.